Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trader, 12:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, September 24th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. The video is educational only. Do me a favor, subscribe and click the bell, as well as share the video and click the thumbs up. Let's make sure that people get the awareness of the Origin protocol and all of the greatness that it provides, especially great entry points and exit points. Intraday updates, you'll get those intraday as well, exit and entry points on that Twitter link. It hasn't really happened lately, so don't scream at me. Anyway, Reform Blogger. This is a website. This is a YouTube channel where we're doing more coverage on stocks. It's on a different channel. I'll put the link below the video. You get to see some of the stocks we cover, as well as the tech analysis. Similar to what I provide here, I provide on stocks as well. It's also good to diversify your portfolio, so might not be a bad idea to see how the stock trade works. Anyway, let's get into the markets. Let's take a look at Origin US dollar. Still, hanging on to a thread over here. We were up yesterday demonstrably and kind of petered on out. Well, what's been going on? Well, we're back over this line, but basically, Bitcoin. It's all about Bitcoin. Always about Bitcoin. When we see major dives like this, clearly a lot of FUD in the market. Institutionals were sticking it out. Obviously, people in the altcoin world fleeing like sheep. However, that is temporary, and we'll go through why it's not a real big deal to begin with, because it's old news, about a week and a half in the making already. So nothing's really changed here. So we're still kind of throttling this line of support at 74 cents. Taking a look down here, there may or may not be another stopping point. So let's just, let me get the automatic thing going. This would be the ultimate low, 56 cents. I think we're going to wind up pulling back up here. But again, if we start dropping fast, we could be going down to 57. But as high, as soon as we start coming back to grips with reality, probably around 86 cents is on the top end. So trade doesn't look that great from here, but you never know. Like you could get a good buying opportunity as well if you have cash on the sidelines. Anyway, taking a look at Bitcoin, the Origin Bitcoin pair. Let's just zoom out here. So pretty much the same kind of situation. A little bit down. I don't like it. I feel like we might start heading down to 1,500 and change. That's about another, probably around 20% or so. I think we should just be careful here, only because there's just a little bit of volatility in the market. I think Bitcoin will revive itself. So generally speaking, I'm bullish on all alts right now, where we are right now, short term. But again, I think it's going to be primarily sideways action. So we could just be kind of like doing this for a while. And we're going to continue to keep our eyes on that. In the meantime, let's take a look at the Bitcoin pair, because this has been really the thing that has jostled everyone's, trading calls. So clearly, like I said, this was the steep up and down in the past, and we did the same thing. Now we're coming down. We're probably going to bounce up again and come back down. This is going to go on for the rest of the next week and a half or so, up until around in the first week of October. So we've got a little bit of boredom here. I know everyone just wants this thing to go to $100, but at the same time, it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. This is my opinion, not financial advice, but I think we're sideways. Now, what's going on with Bitcoin? Why do we have this dramatic drop overnight? So actually early wee hours. This is what's going on with Bitcoin. People are getting all FUD up. FUD, F-U-D, up. FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And basically this is what we found. We found that there was an announcement, but not just today. This announcement, the same announcement that went online today from China, saying they're going to illegalize crypto trading. They already said this back in September 15th, and man, why are we even listening to anyone? This is what I'm saying. You go to CNBC, it's like they heard it for the first time. This has already happened. They've already said that. And now, just because a bunch of retail investors Probably not the smart ones that are listening to this video, but the retail investors that don't know any better will probably wind up selling their stuff thinking it's over, not realizing that this was already announced. The institutions have heard it. Believe me, when they're trading billions of dollars, they have to. It's their job. So anyway, just to give you that backdrop, that's what's going on there. And obviously, that FUD in Bitcoin land created more Bitcoin dominance. Of course, it hit this channel, and as we know, it bounces back down. And we are back on the downtrend, which is good for altcoins. So we're getting catching a little bit of a bid on a relative basis on the altcoin market relative to Bitcoin. But again, here, I think we're going to be sideways chopped for a little bit, folks, until this week plays out. But I'll keep you all posted on Twitter, and hopefully we'll catch up soon. Take care.